Have you ever seen Ghost?
A ghost?
Patrick Swayze.
Oh.
Not bad.
Captured. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna be on pollen control, please?
Hey, what are you?
I'm leaving.
That's YouTube friendly.
Tires, DJ.
Hey, buddy.
Grubby's here.
How we doing?
What happened?
The grub came out of the gun.
All right, we're officially here, back at the shop. I went to the strip last night. That thing is
So poor.
in an OEM one.
Heart store. Lasted less than a year. Do a lot of burnouts and stuff.
Yeah, you do
Maybe
right.
that does hit and rip.
But still, the OEM ones, they could be
Yeah.
blown to bits. No.
I got OEM ones up there with blown out boots.
Yeah.
They don't make no noise.
I can attest to that because this one's been broken ever since I got the car, I think. A little after I lowered it, cambered it, and the boots ripped, and they're still ripped and they don't make a noise, so I don't think about it. But these, yeah.
These are garbage. I'll say though, I am just gonna get another set of parts store ones. Because I am doing the 350Z conversion.
It's $100 an
They're
axle.
so easy to find. Jimmy literally bought 8 sets at the junkyard a couple weeks ago. In a year. Look at it.
Without disconnecting anything?
The other side.
Really? Anthony is all done seam sealing.
Seam sealer. Done.
Now, just sand, scuff, everything.
Paint.
To this weekend.
Probably.
Hell yeah. This weekend. Same time. Maybe not the same day we do my car, but all the seam sealer is done on my car. Scuffing the seam sealer now. When we spot welded it, it was like bare metal, so you have to sand that all down. And got new axles. And see how long these last because they're aftermarket. But he did have a lifetime warranty on them. Yeah, well, you can't reuse it over and over again. You don't let it warm up. They don't click. They don't click, kid. Show it down. The loading is terrible. I need a good camera. I'm a night guy. I shoot at night. I'm out during the night more than I am in the daytime.
Darren, if you're watching this, what's going on, buddy?
His girlfriend, we haven't seen Darren in a
4
while.
days.
4 days. Not even a text,
Nah.
a call.
He's like this.
In her
Stuck.
bag. All right, so we got a bird in the shop. Where'd he go, Ant? Where'd he go?
There he goes.
Nice, Ant. Nice distraction. He's coming to you. Oh. Oh,
There he goes. We gotta catch the bird. No birds are gonna be harmed while Grubby's here.
So close, you didn't have him like in the bag.
Dude, he was in the bag.
I've seen it through the window.
Not bad.
Captured. Djnoway got him. Little bird. He is pissed. He made us pissed for hours. All right, so I'm gonna quickly assemble the whole air tank assembly. It's a lot of brackets. There's a few fittings. Well, there's a lot of brackets, but I gotta put these rods in here that hold both of the compressors and the whole module for the air system. All this stuff has to go on it, and we did catch the bird, thankfully, because it shit in my trunk. 30 minutes of it being in here. Now he took apart his engine completely. Everything off. So his case should be here next week. So that means we could ride very soon, very soon. But let's throw this stuff together. balls. So bad. We are here. We just taped the whole trunk off, ready to paint it, and there's pollen everywhere in the shop.
As you filming pollen?
Yeah. That's so bad. Anthony, I don't know about this.
Pray to God.
Pray to God. I don't believe in God, Anthony. Here, Tommy's gonna help paint it, assist in the painting process.
Have you ever seen Ghost?
A ghost?
Patrick Swayze and Demi Moore, and they're making a pot out of clay.
Yeah.
That's what me and him are gonna be doing. I'm gonna be behind him. And we're gonna be spraying together.
What are you gonna do? Are you gonna be on pollen control, please?
Hey, what are you?
I'm weaving.
You gotta control the pollen.
I gotta go.
What do we do about the pollen?
I got shit to do.
It's such a big problem.
It's bad.
Hey, are you confident about it? We'll just see what happens.
It's just a truck.
No. The hours that I have into sanding this is not just a trunk anymore.
No way about it. We make it work. The whole floor.
See, Anthony's so positive. It makes me feel better. Oh no! Oh no! What was that?
It's already broken.
Oh no! It's a rare S chassis part.
No,
A HUD.
it's not. The HUD cover. Is it actually?
Ready to party? So it looks like he already laid probably the first coat
No, it's
of what second colorway. Good to see it all one color though, finally. I just hope this comes out smooth. That's it. And I'll be happy.
Yeah, sure. Just perfection.
Perfection, that's all I
You
want.
no imperfection, so that means you want
Perfection.
perfection.
Yeah, is that so much to ask for? Is it Anthony? Are we on the white?
That's sealer.
Have a shrimp? Take one. We did have an issue with the moisture in the lines because we don't have a water trap. We do have a water trap. It doesn't really work that good.
Too close to the compressor, that's why.
It's supposed to be 50 feet away.
Yeah, it's supposed to be far because right now the compressor, when it compresses the air, gets too hot. And the air outside is not that hot, so it creates water,
Moisture.
moisture.
The paint laying. Any questionable spots or no?
Good.
Good?
I just gotta wait for Brian to give me the
Yeah.
water trap.
I'm gonna
Okay.
call him right now. This is exciting stuff here, people. You can't learn this stuff overnight, Djnoway. All right, well, there's no reducer left to do anything else to the car, so I'm gonna go meet some people at a Vineyard, wait for Brian, because Brian is bringing some reducer, but I'm not gonna drink, obviously. I'm just gonna go for the cheese. I'm gonna take my car out, and Sam will be with me as well, so let's go to the Vineyard. Yep, nice gravel. Come on, they can't pave this? This would look so nice all paved. I don't even like they got grapes growing here. Beautiful place though, I tell you. Oh my God, what is this? Yeah, I gotta be careful here. I gotta put you down for this. It is rough terrain. We're off-roading right now. Beautiful day to have the Sylvia out though, I will say.
That right there is just made me realize how tonight is gonna go.
What are we doing?
It's only 7:42.
What are we?
No, okay. So Abby, you weren't there. Oh yeah, you were there.
I don't know what's going on. No clue. But this wine is delicious.
Wine's sick. Sideways really work.
The sideways is good. That's YouTube friendly.
Oh yeah, the filter's hitting. Oh, it's over.
Dude, this one's better.
On the boat this summer.
Sun setting. The sunset wine is
hitting.
down below.
You have pictures to prove it.
Pour that last bottle last glass. I'm gonna leave my car at the Vineyard because I had a glass of wine. So sun has set. Right there. Yep. Oh, you're finishing.
Finish it up.
Yeah. No. I want a sip of that. I had to leave my car at the Vineyard.
God forbid.
Pockets. That's crazy. You got the shorts and the pockets down there.
Drop everything comes out of these pockets.
Oh my God. What?
Look at the phone's about to pop out.
That's gonna fall out immediately. Immediately.
I'm calling corporate. Take this. Great.
He was great.
What did you say?
All right, we gotta go back to the shop. Check out Anthony. Make sure
there's not another bird. He's okay.
Oh, what did you do with the bird?
Oh, man.
Did you kill it?
No, we let him go.
I'm surprised.
Back from the Vineyard. Brian brought the care package.
Almost empty too. No, we have enough here.
It has been crazy. I can't wait for this to be over for Anthony's sake.
Touch my fucking stick. I don't have stick.
That's a cardboard
I
stick.
just have a cardboard.
Man.
Strap.
Brian, how did the track go today?
It went well. Tires, DJ.
Hey, buddy.
Grubby's here.
How we doing?
We're doing great. Say hi to the people.
Hello, buddy.
Went to the Vineyard, had a glass.
I had a glass of brain reducer. You're good all the way fucking back.
Nice. Pop it. Pop it. This is a stroked out LS. You ain't popping this thing. Ah, that's so poor. Pearl next.
More sanding.
No sanding. Anthony was sanding before I left to the Vineyard. No more sanding.
A little bit more sanding.
Why?
Just something made you happen.
It did. Holy shit. Where? Where? Show me. It's funny. He thinks it's funny. Where is it, Anthony? The bug. Jesus.
God malfunction.
Holy shit.
Cut the clip.
What happened?
The crop came out of the gun, split in half. No paint over it. It happens.
We can go back to base 1. Primer.
There was a few complications. There was some bugs. A paint cup got a little loose.
I'm not used to those cups, so came loose on me. The whole cup fall right here.
Splattered.
Splashed a little bit, so I gotta sand everything.
This is just the base coat. So next step is the pearl. And then the clear.
And you can start seeing your vision.
I could finally see it. There's another bug in there. Look at them. They're so stupid, Anthony. You see them?
Yeah.
Look at them. Sweetness.
They love pain, the smell.
I hate that. People don't understand how long of a process this is. This is, mind you, there was some complications.
Same make though.
Still.
But still,
A lot.
this is a very long, tedious
Same
process.
with engine base. Engine base, people think, oh, just spray my engine base. It's simple. Nah, bullshit. It's so much work. To make it look good, you gotta spend a lot of time.
A lot of time.
It's not easy.
You have to be very cautious.
Yeah.
Every step has to be very precise.
Looks good now.
Whatever does this to the trunk, so this is just like.
Yeah, DJ the first one.
Oh, so we're on the last coat of clear, which is the fun and exciting part, which you guys want to see. So Anthony is laying the last coat of clear, and it looks incredible. Take a look. I got my ventilation mask on. Done? No way.
He's done. Over.
Holy shit. All day, obstacles. It was unbelievable, but
I mean, painting in a garage is different than painting a spray wood. You gotta fight with a lot of more stuff, elements, things that happen. Airflow is not good here. Gotta wait more between coats.
but we got it
But we got it
done.
done.
I cannot thank Anthony enough for this. This is fucking, it looks fucking mental.
Yeah.
Now his battery's low. Holy shit, Anthony. It wasn't fun, but it's done.
It's fun, it's always fun.
Anthony likes the challenge. He's sick.
Messed up right here.
Look at all the pollen in here already. Look at this. Trunk is finally prepped.
I'm done.
Finally done. And I can't be more relieved. Definitely stay tuned, and this thing will be on the road soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Huge shout out to Anthony though. Couldn't have done it without him. Round of applause. Round of applause in the comments.
Brian.
And Brian. Brian and Anthony. 100%.
4 hours later.
I got my shirt on.
See you guys in the next one.